this video, I will show you how to open an Upwork account. Firstly, go to the Upwork website using your web browser. On the Upwork homepage, you will see a sign up button in the top right corner. Click on it to start the registration process. You will be prompted to select whether you want to create an account as a client or a freelancer. Choose the option that best fits your needs. If you are looking to hire freelancers, select client. If you're a freelancer looking for work, select freelancer. Once you have selected your account type, you will need to fill out some basic information to create your account. This may include your full name, email address, and password, and make sure to use a valid email address that you have access to. Once your account is created, you will be directed to complete your profile. This includes adding details such as your skills, experience, education, and profile picture. The more information you provide, the better your chances of attracting clients or finding work. Before you can finish creating your account, you will need to agree to Upwork's terms and conditions. Make sure to read through them carefully before accepting. Once your account is created, you can start using Upwork to hire freelancers or find work. As a client, you can post jobs and review proposals from freelancers. As a freelancer, you can browse job listings and submit proposals to clients. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.